In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from our bodies. We rush from one task to the next, often ignoring the signals our bodies send us. This disconnect can manifest in various ways, including stress, anxiety, and even weight gain. Somatic exercises offer a path back to ourselves, a way to reconnect with our physical sensations and listen to our inner wisdom. Somatic exercises are gentle, mindful movements that bridge the gap between our minds and bodies. Unlike traditional exercise that often focuses on external results, somatics prioritize internal awareness. They invite us to slow down, tune in, and feel the subtle sensations within. Imagine a gentle stretch that invites you to notice the lengthening of your spine. Picture a mindful walk where you feel the earth beneath your feet. This is the essence of somatic exercises, a practice of presence and self-discovery. Through these practices, we cultivate a deeper understanding of our physical selves. We learn to identify areas of tension, release held stress, and move with greater ease and fluidity. This journey of self-awareness is at the heart of somatic exercises and holds the key to unlocking a world of benefits, including sustainable weight loss. When we think of exercise, images of intense workouts, sweating, and pushing our limits often come to mind. We envision people lifting heavy weights, running marathons, or engaging in high-intensity interval training. These activities are often associated with the idea of no pain, no gain, where the primary goal is to push the body to its limits in order to achieve physical fitness. While these forms of exercise have their place and can be incredibly beneficial for cardiovascular health, strength, and endurance, somatic exercises offer a different approach, one that emphasizes awareness, gentle movement, and the interconnectedness of mind and body. Instead of focusing on how much weight you can lift or how fast you can run, somatics encourage you to tune into your body's sensations and movements. Traditional exercise often focuses on external goals like burning calories, building muscle, or achieving a certain physique. The emphasis is on measurable outcomes and visible results, which can sometimes lead to a disconnect between the mind and body. People may push through pain or discomfort in pursuit of these goals, potentially leading to injury or burnout. Somatics, on the other hand, prioritize the internal experience. The focus is on feeling the sensations of movement, noticing how your body responds, and cultivating a sense of internal awareness. This practice encourages you to move in ways that feel good and are sustainable, rather than pushing through pain or discomfort. By paying attention to the body's signals, you can develop a more intuitive and compassionate relationship with yourself. This shift in focus from external to internal is key to understanding the power of somatics for weight loss. When we are more attuned to our bodies, we can better understand our needs and make choices that support our health and well-being. This can lead to more sustainable and enjoyable weight loss, as we are not forcing ourselves into rigid routines or diets, but rather listening to what our bodies truly need. When we reduce stress, improve sleep, and become more in tune with our bodies, we naturally gravitate towards healthier choices. Stress and poor sleep are often major contributors to weight gain and unhealthy habits. By addressing these underlying issues through somatic practices, we can create a more balanced and healthy lifestyle. We begin to crave nourishing foods, prioritize movement that feels good, and develop a more positive relationship with our bodies. This holistic approach to health and fitness can lead to lasting changes, as we are not just focusing on the physical aspects of weight loss, but also the mental and emotional components. This is not to say that somatic exercises are a magic bullet for weight loss. They are not a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all solution. However, they are a powerful tool for creating lasting change by addressing the root causes of unhealthy habits. By incorporating somatic practices into our daily routines, we can develop a deeper understanding of our bodies and their needs. They are, however, a powerful tool for creating lasting change by addressing the root causes of unhealthy habits. By focusing on the internal experience and cultivating a sense of awareness, we can make more informed and compassionate choices that support our overall well-being. This can lead to a more sustainable and enjoyable approach to health and fitness. By cultivating a deeper understanding of our bodies and their needs, we empower ourselves to make choices that support our overall well-being. This holistic approach to health and fitness can lead to lasting changes, as we're not just focusing on the physical aspects of weight loss, but also the mental and emotional components. In this way, somatic exercises can be a valuable addition to any fitness routine, offering a more balanced and mindful approach to health and wellness. Stress. It's a constant companion in our modern lives. Deadlines, responsibilities, and the ever-present pressure to do more can leave us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. What many people don't realize is that this constant state of stress can have a significant impact on our weight. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is essential for our survival, but chronically elevated levels can lead to a cascade of negative effects, including weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area. This is because cortisol encourages our bodies to store fat and can even increase our appetite. Somatic exercises offer a powerful antidote to stress. By engaging in gentle movements, deep breathing, and mindful awareness, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's natural relaxation response. This calming effect helps to lower cortisol levels, reducing stress-induced cravings and promoting a more balanced hormonal environment. Furthermore, somatic exercises can improve sleep quality, another crucial factor in weight management. When we're well rested, our bodies regulate hormones like ghrelin and leptin more effectively, which control our feelings of hunger and fullness. By reducing stress and improving sleep, somatic exercises create a fertile ground for healthy and sustainable weight loss. Unlocking your potential benefits beyond the scale. While weight loss can be a significant motivator for many, the benefits of somatic exercises extend far beyond the number on the scale. These exercises are not just about shedding pounds, they are about gaining a deeper understanding and connection with our bodies. These practices offer a holistic approach to well-being, addressing not only our physical health, but also our mental, emotional, and spiritual selves. By integrating somatic exercises into our daily routines, we can cultivate a balanced lifestyle that nurtures every aspect of our being. One of the most profound benefits of somatics is its ability to alleviate anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common issues that many of us face. Somatic practices provide a sanctuary where we can find peace and tranquility. By connecting with our bodies and focusing on our breath, we can calm our racing thoughts and soothe our overactive nervous systems. This mindful breathing helps us stay present, reducing the impact of stress on our daily lives. The gentle movements and mindful awareness cultivated through somatics provide a sense of grounding and stability, allowing us to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. These practices teach us to listen to our bodies, understand our limits, and move with intention. Somatic exercises can also work wonders for our posture. Good posture is essential for overall health as it affects our breathing, circulation, and even our mood. Many of us spend hours hunched over desks, phones, or steering wheels, leading to muscle imbalances, back pain, and poor posture. This sedentary lifestyle can take a toll on our bodies, causing discomfort and long-term health issues. Somatics helps us identify and release tension in these areas, promoting proper alignment and reducing pain. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in how we carry ourselves throughout the day. By improving our posture, we not only look and feel better, but we also improve our breathing, digestion, and overall energy levels. A well-aligned body functions more efficiently, leading to enhanced vitality and well-being. The benefits don't stop there. Somatic exercises can also reduce chronic pain by releasing muscle tension and improving flexibility. Chronic pain can be debilitating, but somatic practices offer a gentle and effective way to manage and alleviate discomfort. Increase body awareness, helping us make healthier choices throughout the day. When we are more in tune with our bodies, we are better equipped to recognize our needs and respond to them appropriately. Enhance our connection to our inner selves, fostering a sense of self-acceptance and peace. This deeper connection can lead to a more fulfilling and harmonious life, where we are more attuned to our true selves and our surroundings. Your journey begins now. Simple somatic exercises to try at home. Welcome to a new chapter of self-care and well-being. Ready to experience the transformative power of somatic exercises for yourself. These exercises are designed to help you connect with your body, reduce stress, and enhance your overall physical and mental health. Here are a few simple yet effective exercises you can try right now in the comfort of your own home. No special equipment is needed, just a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. Belly breathing. Find a comfortable seated or lying down position. This exercise is great for calming the mind and reducing anxiety. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. This helps you to feel the movement of your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand like a balloon. This deep breathing helps to oxygenate your body and relax your muscles. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to gently fall back down. Focus on the sensation of your breath leaving your body. Continue for 5 to 10 breaths, noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen. This rhythmic breathing can help to center your mind and bring a sense of peace. Shoulder rolls, stand or sit tall with your spine straight. This exercise helps to release tension in your shoulders and neck. Inhale and gently roll your shoulders up towards your ears. Feel the stretch in your upper back and shoulders. Exhale and slowly roll your shoulders back and down, making circles with your shoulder blades. This movement helps to improve your posture and relieve stress. Repeat 5 to 10 times in each direction, noticing any areas of tension. Pay attention to how your shoulders feel as you move them. Gentle spinal twists. Sit comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed. This exercise helps to improve flexibility and relieve tension in your spine. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you for support. This position helps to stabilize your body as you twist. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Imagine growing taller with each breath. Exhale and gently twist your upper body to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Feel the stretch along your spine and in your back muscles. Hold for a few breaths, then return to center and repeat on the other side. This balanced movement helps to maintain spinal health and flexibility. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these exercises regularly to experience their full benefits.